color. Red is for bravery, white is for peace, green is for tolerance, black is for justice. This is the Gaf tree. Gaf tree is the symbol of year of tolerance. Thank you.